tight. So get this video and subscribe. Share this video.
Out here
Ring
alone.
the bell. My Instagram is just
Guys, we're gonna be out here
It's so
alone.
dark. Look. Oh my gosh. So today we're doing a slime challenge. But here's a twist. So we have some colors in here that are scented. Oh my gosh, and white. So everybody will get to pick 4 colors, and they're scented, and they smell so good.
Guys, smell the blueberry. Smell the blueberry, guys.
Don't it
Oh my
smell
gosh,
so
I
good?
know.
It smells delicious. So we have to close our eyes and pick 4, and whichever 4 we get, we have to put in our slime. So I'm gonna be making the clear, and she's gonna be making the white.
Can I go wash my hands? Cause I touched some slime in this.
Let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're getting set up to get ready to pick. We're gonna do, oh my gosh, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who is gonna be.
Who's gonna get the clear? Oh, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gonna get the clear.
No. Yeah, you're gonna get the white. I'm gonna clear it. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, whatever. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, you go first. Wait, first
Okay,
pick. No.
So I'm going to mix these up, and you turn around. Okay. And wait, hold on.
Can't cut my teeth.
Okay. Pick.
How many colors are I picking again?
4. Right here.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, the towel's right here. Okay, one more. No.
Ew, I got black. Oh, worse.
Oh, that's green. Guys, I got red, a light green, and a yellow, and a purple.
No,
I
no,
got the blue.
No, this is brown. This is black.
Oh.
Black.
Guys, this is my container, and that's her container. So we'll first add in the green.
But I got blue though. Belle really wanted.
gosh,
So
so
guys,
let's-
let me just scoot up.
Let's
Guys, I
add
got
in.
the. Guys, look at my colors. I got
Black. All behind you too.
purple, orange, and blue. Guys, she wanted blue.
I really want.
She wanted blue. So
I really wanted it.
Where's my straw? Okay, there you go.
Oh my gosh, it's so clear.
No,
This is my second time doing clear.
I never did clear before, guys. So sucks. And this plain white though, we always get white.
I want to make a big slime, so I'm just going to leave this in for a little bit.
Yeah. Mine is still going, guys, for some reason. Why do always there's an ant on there? But who cares?
I wonder why glitter glue is so like thick.
I just got.
Guys, comment down below why glitter glue is so like thick and hard to get out.
Well, mine is coming out a little bit more. Bill, I was about to touch your thing because it looked like it
Nothing
looked like
in there.
Exactly, but the bubbles actually do kinda. The bubble does, guys. Tremiana, guys, we gonna be up all night because Tremiana playing those music.
Okay,
Her
I'm
new
gonna try
speaker she just got 2
activating
days.
this.
Her new speaker I thought she was gonna leave it in there for some. God, I'm
I think
gonna
I
do
got
that.
all mine out though.
I was gonna try to leave mine in there.
Okay, that's enough.
Guys, you know how I like to do. I just like to mix
Oh
it,
my
guys,
gosh,
right quick.
this is gonna be so clear, but I'm not gonna let it stay clear.
Guys, I'm just mixing it right now for no reason. I'm just gonna mix it so I can get all over the place.
I'm trying to get all it off the edges, so then I can start
Guys,
going.
hers looks so
Weird.
yes. It looks like oof. God, I don't think
Guys,
I
but I'm gonna put the camera up there so you can like see us when we add the colors in.
guys,
Which one do you think is gonna win this? I think she is.
I
Actually.
think she is because
Oh.
I just hit too much activated, guys. It's like
And guys, we need to comment. You need to comment down below before we start adding the color in. What color do you think ours is gonna turn? Well, you can.
I think mine's gonna turn
I think mine's gonna turn brown.
mine's gonna turn a kind of green.
I just
that.
forgot. Purple and yellow make brown.
But you got two more. Bill, mine just came straight up, guys. It just came. Mine is good.
I just started going in with my hands.
But guys, it's not that good. Bill,
What?
we're so stupid.
What?
We should have added the colors while we were doing this.
I guess we're doing it after.
God, this is scary out here alone. We hear all types of I hear all types of noise. But do you hear types of noise? I do.
This is so freaking scary. I hear like somebody's.
God, the doll's always up. But this is scary out here alone. I really don't like it. But we have to do it out here so we won't get nothing in here. Guys, I had to go pour mine.
Okay, guys, I think that was a lot of activator.
Guys, I got too much activator, guys. Look,
Me too.
Look, the activator's still in there. So
a whole bunch.
we know she listens to music. We don't care.
Guys, I got so much. Okay, guys, so we'll see you when we're done mixing. Okay, guys, so now it's time to add in our colors. So remember, I have yellow, green, purple, and red, and she has
Black, purple, yes. Orange, yes. Blue, yes, 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 yes. Ha ha, she red, ha ha.
oh my gosh, I hate these colors.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so
spread it
before
out.
we do this, comment down below what color do you think the slimes are going to turn. I think mine's personally going to turn brown.
I think mine gonna turn green for some reason. Cause Bill's like the black is green. I'm like, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, she's like just. Guys, I'm about to make a face, guys. I'm about to make a face.
Guys, whose slime's looking good so far?
Not mine.
Mine's having color to it, so I have a lot of bright colors. I should have got the other ones, but I wasn't going to have enough. Okay, now let's add in the green. I hate this color.
The green. Oh, say you hate green, I'll smack you. I will smack
really hate
anybody,
green.
guys, who ever say they hate green. Well, I'm just gonna mix this up, guys. Look at the face. Oh my god. Oh, look at it as I mix, guys. Let's take the next up. I need lotion. Should add lotion. But did you add lotion? I'm gonna add lotion that. Excuse you.
Okay, I think that's enough of green. I don't want too much of green. Now let's add in the red. Okay.
Church.
Oh my gosh, this is probably gonna be. I think this is actually gonna be red.
Guys, smell the black. It smells like blackberry. I mean,
That smells like sherry right now. This
guys,
smells
mine
like,
is like
guys.
not mixed.
I wonder what it's gonna smell like. Oh my gosh.
Oh yes, that's
going to be. Oh my gosh.
What?
Papa said, yeah, at least the 4 on the video too. We take it, he giving us some money.
Okay, guys. Now let's add in the purple. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is gonna.
Guys,
be.
I'm gonna just make a whole lot of lines and I'm just gonna color it, guys. It's gonna be.
Guys, I don't even want to mix this. I just want it to be colorful.
I don't like.
But I'm scared it's gonna turn into something that I don't want it to turn into.
Guys, I just want mine to like.
Guys, but have you already commented down below what color do you think is gonna be the best?
Which one do you slime do you think is gonna be?
Hashtag clear or hashtag white. Oh my.
Why?
But guys, are they gonna be white or clear at the end?
I think
know.
you definitely know mine's not gonna be white.
Oh yeah, we already know that.
So guys, that's mess up.
Let's add some green.
Guys, purple.
Why are the colors not working? This is so dumb. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing. I don't want to. Guys, mine still needs a lot of lotion, but it's okay.
Yeah, mine do too. How about you?
Yours really don't, but
It does actually,
mine
do.
is. Like,
Guys, look at mine. Guys, let me. I'm gonna wait for y'all to see it after I'm done decorating.
oh my gosh, look at this. This is so
Guys,
weird.
this is Granny's favorite colors.
Oh, that actually looks pink.
It does, but it's purple.
I think it is pink.
No, I got the purple.
I got the purple.
I got pink.
The
Guys.
purple smells so good. Oh my gosh, I think
The
this smells like
pink.
plum.
The pink don't smell that good. Well, it don't smell that good. I don't like it.
It smells like strawberry. Oh,
It does smell strawberry.
I tasted that before. I just
It don't. It definitely. Who had
Guys,
yellow?
my slime is just so bad.
I didn't have yellow. I didn't.
I had yellow.
Guys, y'all gonna see it. Y'all can't look at it right now, guys. I got 2 more colors. One
Guys,
more.
I'm adding so much lotion.
What am I thinking? We don't know. Did you?
Okay, guys, we'll see you when the slimes are done.
So, guys, this is what I want. It looks so hot.
Okay, guys, she's gonna mix it up in the camera. Here, mix it.
Oh
my gosh, I'm so excited.
She just want mine to look bad.
Guys,
Guys, look so-
3, 2, 1.
Cat! Guys, look at the cat! Look at the
Mix
cat!
it in.
Look at the cat though!
Guys, she's mixing it. Oh my god. Oh,
Guys,
it
look
looks
at
like
the
it's
cat.
turning black.
Cat, guys.
Guys, it looks like her slime is turning black right now. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
I'm not done mixing. Oh, guys, this is gonna be a bad color. It's gonna be black. We can tell that. Guys, I need a lotion. That's why I'm not mixing it very well.
Yeah, guys, we'll see when the slimes are really good.
Belle, what the heck? This is cake. God, this
Are
is
you ready to see the new slime?
Guys,
3,
yeah.
2, 1.
Oh, cotton candy. Cotton candy, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna add these up. 3, 2, hold up.
ready.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is it. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, we get it. Guys, we both get some.
This is
Oh, I got more.
Oh my gosh. Is this gonna mix?
Is this gonna
Guys,
get
comment
red?
down below. Is this gonna mix?
Is this gonna get Bello?
Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
guys, oh, please mix.
Oh, I'm really scared.
Guys, it's more of me, mine. Like, in mine, it's more of mine.
Guys,
Oh,
I'm so scared about this. Oh my gosh. I think that it's so dark out here. That's why the slimes are messing up. Oh my gosh.
okay,
Yeah,
guys, I tried to get some lotion on my leg.
Guys, this, oh my gosh.
Get some lotion, guys.
Guys, is this gonna mix up or is it not? It's not even, it's not.
But I keep on finding your slime in the lotion. For some reason. What? Guys, these keep on her slime. But what did you put? Oh my, but did you put some slime in the lotion?
This slime is really, really stretchy.
How is yours stretchy, but not
Not that
mine?
stretchy, but oh my gosh.
God, do you listen to that, guys? So satisfying.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And this was probably a total comment down below.
Oh,
What was it?
comment down below, guys. I'm sorry.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video and bye.